Hey everyone, Zane here, and today we're going to compare between Wells Fargo versus Chase. Both banks have made significant updates to their services, but how they stack up against each other. From account offerings to customer service, fees, and mobile banking apps, we will cover everything you need to know, so let's get started. Account types and services. When it comes to personal banking, both Wells Fargo and Chase offer a wide range of products. Wells Fargo has everything from basic checking accounts to premium accounts like their wealth management options. Their most popular checking accounts include the Everyday Checking and the Prime Checking, both offering unique benefits and fees. Chase, on the other hand, also offers several checking options. One of the highlights is the Chase Total Checking, which is popular for its lower fees and user-friendly services. Then there is the Chase Sapphire Checking for those who want more premium perks like travel rewards and higher interest rates. Fees and costs. Something we all dread but must consider when choosing a bank. Wells Fargo is known for its somewhat high fees on their checking accounts. The Everyday Checking comes with a $10 monthly fee, but you can waive it with a minimum balance or by having direct deposits. However, fees can be higher depending on the account type. Chase offers similar fees with their total checking account having a $12 monthly fee, which can also be waived if you maintain a certain balance or set up direct deposits. Both banks also charge fees for overdrafts and non-network ATM usage, so keep that in mind. So in the fee comparison, neither bank stands out as cheaper, but if you are looking for more ways to avoid fees, Chase's conditions for waiving monthly fees are slightly easier to meet. Mobile app and online banking. Let's talk about technology. In 2024, a bank's mobile app is just as important as its physical branches. Both Wells Fargo and Chase have invested heavily in their mobile and online banking experiences. Wells Fargo's mobile app offers a smooth experience with features like mobile check deposits, bill pay, and budgeting tools. However, some users have mentioned that the app can sometimes be slow and navigating between accounts be a little clunky. Chase's app, on the other hand, is consistently praised for its fast performance and easy to navigate design. Features like Chase Quick Pay, account alerts, and the ability to request or send someone money through the app make it a strong contender in this space. Customer service and accessibility. When it comes to customer service, both banks have their strengths and weaknesses. Wells Fargo offers 24 hours over 7 days support through various channels, including phone, online chat, and email. They have made improvements in their service following some past controversies, but some customers still report long wait times. Chase is also known for reliable customer service with a variety of options for reaching support, including in-branch visits, online chat, and phone support. Many customers prefer the ease of getting in touch with a representative quickly. So which bank comes out on the top? If you are looking for a bank with a more robust rewards programs and credit card offerings, Chase is the clear winner. Their app, customer service, and overall accessibility make it a great choice for tech-savvy users. On the other hand, if you want a more straightforward banking experience with fewer fees, Wells Fargo offers great options as well. Ultimately, the right choice depends on your needs. If you prioritize travel rewards and a premium experience, go with Chase. But if you prefer lower maintenance accounts with no frills, Wells Fargo could be a perfect fit. And that's all for today's comparison. If you find this video helpful, please don't forget to support us with like, subscribe, share this video with your friends. Thanks for watching and see you in a new video.